one. Oh, darn. Two big gouges in it, really. Too hot. Jeez. How many miles are on these things?
No idea.
Feel the pitting. See how deep it is through there?
Mm-hmm.
We can lap this in real quick and call it down and you can do it right. Which one you want?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, what? What?
Close the camera?
Which one you want done?
Close the camera?
You do a quick lap on it or you want to do it right?
Yeah. Okay, close the camera.
Explains everything.
Teacher's yelling at me.
I forgot again. And he brought stuff. Where's your rag at? Just wasn't again. Nothing compound my clean rag. Got a problem here. Valve hits.
Clearance it. There it is.
Clearance. Done yet?
Good there. Well, smooth sounding. Beautiful.
Grab it. You guys looking at me funny out there. That's like I was supposed to do something.
I was going to record him.
Somebody wanted an SNS part earlier. It might have been him. How's luck? You happy?
No.
Why not?
Just go through the pitting.
Ah, the locking compound didn't go through the pitting. I am shocked. So we need to get the 60 grit out instead of the 200 grit?
Yeah.
Race bike.
A little low, but it looks good. Or a little high. Is that high or low?
High or low? It's one of them.
It is one of them. I know
Probably
that.
both.
High and low?
Yep. See a gray mark in there anywhere?
See a what?
Can you see a gray mark anywhere?
Tatro, everything's gray.
Different shades of gray.
Mm.
You're looking for a gray line all the way around, no interruptions. Preferably on that 45-degree angle right there, not that one or the one below it. The 30 or the 60 we're not caring about. So you see an even gray mark all around? No big gouges in it?
Nope.
How about this side? Like
Looks
that one?
good, yeah.
Looks good. Okay, head's good. How's the valves look? You can lap that one yet.
Not this one. Yeah, this one's roached. What's that? Oh, we didn't touch that one.
Jeez, moron. Squeeze the operator. So you happy with this one now?
Yeah, that one looks good.
Especially that low spot.
Is that low or high?
Well,
on the center?
The dark gray is where it's hitting.
Yeah.
The light gray is where it's low.
Yeah.
Like through here where it's not very touching very much. That's low. This one over here, where the holes are at, it's not hitting very well. Use a cleaner rag, it wipes it off better so you see better. So this one here, it's generally contacting. See the chatter in there from where they ground the valve?
Mm-hmm.
Surprisingly, the valve did not fix itself by running. A defective valve is always defective. It's hard to believe.
I know, very.
So the intake will probably fly. The exhaust is not as good. There's too much lapping compound. This is where you have multiple stages of lapping compound. You have the coarse ass crap for tearing junk up. Then you got the final stuff for the good work. When the valve is wet, the suction cup doesn't stick very good. We're not lapping the seat, we're lapping the valve.
Yeah.
The seat was okay. The valve, the soft part, was not. Sounds like it's done. Like everything.
Three-stage wipe.
3-stage wipe. This one's gonna turn it off.
I like the color. You can tell by the color.
Yeah, the darker it is, the dirtier it is. That's how it works around here. Okay, see, that's a little bit better now.
Yeah.
It still sucks.
Yeah.
But that's wrong.
Better though. Yeah.
Okay, so these two here match this head. I'll make sure
Wipe that off the.
Keep off here. And guess what else we gotta do? We gotta clean the head one more time. What's this, the third time already?
I think it's like the fourth.
Fourth? Fifth.
We'll just call it an even 6.
We're not even doing a good job either.
Here. Can I close it?
Close it. YouTube's gonna give me for that noise you made earlier.
They don't like hearing that?
They want me to pay for that.
Really?
Yeah.
That ring?
Yep.
What do you mean?
It's called patented or trademarked content.
That's a trademark sound?
Yep.
That ring?
Yep. Paid for it, didn't you?
That's crazy.
They'll make me go in there and cut that out. Or pay. That sounded so smooth when I started, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I'm only one part of the valve. You know what this does? It makes me hot.
Take your sweatshirt off.
Nah, I'll be cold. You didn't wipe that valve off.
I did not. I got a camera in my hand.
Oh.
3-stage.
We're only doing a 2-stage right now.
Yeah.
Could expect it to be bad enough. Yeah, that one actually might pass.
No, what do you mean? Look at all those.
Look at what? It's like new through there.
Right there.
What? It's like new. Hey, you're getting a $5 valve job here. What do you want? This is an eBay special, $5 job. It only takes me an hour to do a $5 job. You need to raise my prices some? This is what you call it, rebuilt. Advertise it, rebuilt. No miles on it.
Is that how that works?
Good as new. Yeah, that's what they claim anyway. In the real world, you got crap. Surprisingly, it runs just fine though.
Perfect. Tatro, I'm not really digging this valve.
Buy a new one.
Why don't we just grind it?
Because you're too cheap. That turns into an expensive overhaul.
Grinding this valve?
Yep. That escalates the price from the $5 valve job to quite a bit more.
$10?
No, we put another 0 on it at least. We're good. It's fine. Okay, it's gonna be cleaned again. Clean time.